Welcome to the AI for Career Success video overview by Curt Robbins. We're experts at AI coaching and helping professionals like you and your employees upskill in AI. Today, we're going to analyze Apple's rumored entry into the AI wearables market. Our analysis is based on recent reporting from Mark Gurman at Bloomberg, along with insights from other industry experts. This isn't just about a new gadget, it's a very calculated, strategic move into an entirely new product category. This observation from analyst Gennaro Cufano really frames Apple's approach perfectly. You see, this isn't some headlong rush into full-blown augmented reality. Instead, it's a much more pragmatic first step, designed to embed AI into everyday hardware and, crucially, strengthen its existing iPhone ecosystem. So let's first take a look at the product itself. Internally, it's apparently codenamed N50, and it seems to be positioned as a direct competitor to what's already out there from Meta, but with a philosophy that is distinctly, well, Apple. Now, what's really important to notice here is what's missing. There's no visual display, and that's a deliberate choice. The core concept here is not augmented reality. It's more of an ambient AI-powered extension of your iPhone, one that focuses on audio, voice commands through Siri, and camera input. All of the heavy processing gets offloaded to the phone. To really set itself apart, Apple is reportedly focusing on premium materials and a lot of design optionality. They're testing multiple frame styles, everything from classic Wayfarer-like designs to the slimmer frames that CEO Tim Cook wears. The goal here seems to be positioning this device not just as a piece of tech, but as a genuine fashion accessory, which is absolutely critical for mainstream adoption. And this brings us to a key strategic difference. While Meta partners with a company like EssilorLuxottica for its frames, Apple is planning to control the entire hardware experience in-house. This is a classic Apple strategy, right? Vertical integration to ensure a seamless, high-quality user experience. And, of course, to create a powerful ecosystem lock-in that competitors find really difficult to replicate. So this decision to launch without a display, it isn't a limitation. It's actually a strategic choice. As Gennaro Cufano has analyzed, this is all about playing the long game. You see, Apple isn't just building one single device. It's reportedly creating what's being described as a distributed sensing network. As you can see here, the glasses, new AirPods, and even a rumored camera pendant would all work together, feeding contextual data into Apple's AI systems. The goal is to create a really rich, detailed understanding of the user's environment. These display-free glasses are, in essence, a kind of Trojan horse for augmented reality. Apple is prioritizing immediate usability to build user habits and to normalize the very idea of wearing intelligent devices on our faces. This really lays the commercial and behavioral groundwork so they can dominate the true AR market once that underlying technology is finally mature. Okay, so while the technology and the ecosystem strategies sound compelling on paper, the success of any wearable device really hinges on a very human, very practical factor: comfort. Analyst and accessibility advocate Colin Hughes raises a crucial point here. For a device that's meant to be worn all day, especially by people who wear prescription lenses, the user experience goes way beyond just aesthetics and software. As Hughes argues, comfort and a secure fit are not just features, they are fundamental requirements. Think about it. A device that you constantly have to adjust introduces friction into your day, and that undermines the very convenience it's supposed to offer in the first place. Hughes also brings up the critical issue of accessibility. Users who can't easily readjust their glasses are basically excluded from using the device reliably. He points to Meta's optics range, which has adjustable components, as a kind of benchmark that Apple will need to meet, or more likely exceed, to satisfy the needs of people who wear glasses all day long. So let's pull all of this together. What is Apple's strategic bet with this cautious yet very ambitious foray into AI wearables? Well, this is a quintessential Apple play. It's entering a category not as the first mover, but with the clear intention of defining it through superior design, deep ecosystem integration, and a meticulously planned user experience, rather than just raw technological novelty alone. Thank you for watching. This is where we teach you AI and help you get smarter than your competition. If you like these videos, use the QR code at the beginning of this video to buy us a coffee or hire us to coach you or your employees in AI. Please subscribe to the AI for Career Success YouTube channel and like, comment, and share to help us reach a wider audience.